Two satellite A and B go around a planet P in a circular orbit having radii 4r and r respectively. The speed of satellite A is 3v, then the speed of satellite B is. So we know the equation for orbital velocity, that is a root of gm divided by r, or orbital radius. So we can write orbital radius is inversely proportional to root of r, root of orbital radius. So we can write the velocity A divided by velocity B will be equal to under root of orbital radius of B divided by orbital radius of A. Now in question it is given that two satellites A and B go around a planet P in a circular orbit having radii 4r. So radius of first one we can take it as 4r, and second one we can take it as r. So this will be 1 under root of 1 divided by 4, which we can take it as 1 by 2. And if the speed of satellite A is given as something about 3v, so 3v divided by vb we can take it as 1 by 2. So the value of vb we can take it as something about 6 times of v.